Hi, I'm Dr. Shweta from Genesis Hospital, Bangalore. I'm so blessed to have, sir as a mentor in this course. And he teaches everything from basics handling of robotics and how to hold the equipment and everything about the robot that you need to know. And it was so helpful. I was just thinking, what is robotic thing about? Will I ever be able to touch the robot or will I be able to operate? I'm so glad I made this choice. And under sir's mentorship and so many others who have helped, at least I know how to operate the robot and I feel so confident that I can go back and start doing the cases. Thank you so much, World Laparoscopy Hospital, to make me this capable of even attempting a robotic surgery. Thank you.
Well, I was very happy to be here in this excellent training board. I believe that every surgeon that wants to start clinical practice with robotic surgery should attend this course. Firstly, all the instructors were very nice, very kind. They teach me a lot of useful things. And I think that Professor Misra's try to expand robotic and laparoscopic surgery is the best gift to clinical practice. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Dr. Lisha from Lebanon, from Beirut. It's my first time in India, and I came especially to do the robotic course, the fellowship. It was a great experience. It was a nice workshop. This was very helpful, very informative, and the instructors were so helpful in this course. I enjoyed the course and I recommend it for everyone. Thank you.
Hossam Alam. I'm from Lebanon, Beirut. This is my first time visit to India to take the course of robotic surgery. Personally, I enjoyed the week here in India. Everything, the course, especially Dr. Mishra and his team, everyone from the team, from the for learning purposes, everyone was great. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dr. Dhaval Mistry. I am a laparoscopic surgeon. I was here for robotic fellowship course at World Laparoscopy Hospital in January 2026. I was very pleased with the way everyone, right from Dr. Mishra to all the supporting staff. Mr. Shadab has explained us everything about robot docking, and we also get to do hands-on experience for the surgeries which we routinely do in this porcine model. So I'm really happy and I'm ready to apply all this knowledge to my patients. Thank you.
I am Dr. Vijay Kumar. I'm the professor at a medical college in Bangalore. And I have my own center by the name Gynecare. I have come here for the robotic surgery workshop as well as training program. It is a very well organized training program by Dr. Mishra sir and also by Dr. Balla sir. In these 4 days, we learned a lot about the robotics, not only docking, but also the animal training program, including the suturing. Definitely, this will be very useful for our future career. And as you all know that robotics is the next new thing. So better we upgrade ourselves with the robotic knowledge. And this center is very good. Thank you.
I am Colonel Vinod Nair and I belong to the Armed Forces Medical Services. I am from Army Hospital R&R. Gynecologic endoscopic surgeon. I had a bit limited exposure in robotic surgery. That was during my fellowship in AIMS. After coming here in World Laparoscopy Hospital, which I had planned for years, I felt yes, this was essential for me because that the further training and the live surgical demonstration as well as the hands-on exposure on the robotic suturing as well as the robotic surgery is going to help me a long way in my further career improvement and for patient welfare. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.